Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about a new wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation from Haki company. The earbuds are called Haki Time. You know, I'm very glad that almost all new earbuds above $50 have ANC. It is a very useful feature. Also, Haki Time has transparent mode, 10mm driver, 20 hours of battery life with charging case and other features. The price of the new Haki earbuds is about $70. So let's do unboxing and then look at design, talk about connection, active noise cancellation mode, transparent mode, sound quality and battery life. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. You know, Haki is not very popular brand, but they produce high-quality earbuds. Just look at the box of Haki Time earbuds. It looks very expensive. Haki has some series of earbuds, such as Sports, Classic and Star. As you can see, Haki Time are from Classic series. On the front, the inscriptions are in English, but the main features on the back are in Chinese. There is also a specifications list on the bottom. Inside the box you will find the charging case with earbuds. I have a white version and it is already available on sale. If you want black earbuds, then you need to wait. It is only on pre-order. There is also a user manual and a bag in the box. User manual is in Chinese too. In the bag there is USB Type-C charging cable and the package with extra ear tips. You know, I have already tested earbuds from Haki company last year. They also had premium looking package. I like that Haki company pays attention to the package and the first impression of their earbuds. As already said, I have a white version of Haki Time earbuds. They will be also available in black model soon. The charging case of these earbuds have a company logo on the top, 4 LED lights on the front and USB Type-C port on the back. You know, charging case is pretty compact. It is 65 by 45 by 35 mm. The case is very comfortable to hold in one hand and carry in jeans pocket. Inside the case there are earbuds. They are made from the same plastic as charging case. The earbuds have a company logo and LED light on the outside. There is also a touch control button. Here you can see the first microphone and the second is on the bottom. You can remove the ear tips and use another one of different size. You know, Haki Time earbuds are much smaller than Apple AirPods or Xiaomi Mi Air 2 Pro. I think this is very good. They fit very comfortable in the ears and do not fall out. As I already said, Haki Time are from Classic series, not Sports. However, you can do Sports in these earbuds. By the way, Haki Time are waterproof by IPX4 standard. They are not afraid of sweat and water droplets. Talking about connection of these earbuds, you just need to take them out of charging case. Go to Bluetooth settings on smartphone and choose Haki Time. You should know that earbuds can be switched between master and slave. It means that you can use left or right earbuds separately, or both of them at the same time. Also, Haki Time use Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The maximum range from earbuds to connected phone is 10 meters. You know, one of the main features of Haki Time is active noise cancelling. You can turn it on with a long press for about 3 seconds on the left or right earbud. The same way you can switch to transparent mode and normal mode. As usual, you can pause the music with single tap, double-click to activate voice assistant on mobile device. You can also answer the call with single press and reject the call with long press for 2 seconds. Unfortunately, these earbuds do not have a volume control and switch tracks. Now let's talk about sound quality. Haki Time earbuds are equipped with 10mm driver. This is pretty large driver for compact earbuds. You know, the larger driver, the deeper bass and better sound quality. Haki Time also has active noise cancelling. This is my favorite feature in wireless earbuds in 2020. It is very useful when you listen to music in public places. On this picture, you can see that earbuds reduce medium and high levels of noise, such as vehicles. The new Haki earbuds also have electronic noise cancelling. In general, I like sound quality of these earbuds. The bass is very good, while the sound is clean enough. However, it is better to listen to music under 70% because when the volume level is higher, I noticed a little distortions. The high frequencies are pretty sharp. As for the battery life, the manufacturer promises 4.5 hours of playtime on a single charge and 20 hours with charging case. I think the battery life will be a little less when you use active noise cancelling mode. Anyway, it is still good for compact earbuds. So Haki Time are another new wireless earbuds with active noise cancelling. This is a very useful feature, and if you choose a new earbuds, you should see that they have ANC. Also, Hockey Time have very good package. You know that's very important if you buy them as a gift. In addition, I like the design of these earbuds. They look simple but very stylish. I think that the white version looks even better than black one. It is more interesting. As for the sound quality and battery life, they are not outstanding, but quite good for earbuds up to $70. If you already have Hockey Time earbuds, write in the comments below what do you think about them. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.